This is the Salter white toaster and kettle combo. Both come with gold trim. Both have this lovely ridging down the side, here and here. And both have underneath the ability to coil the cable, so you can have actually quite a long stretch of cable, or you can tuck it away if you want it close to the wall. Also, both when plugged in, let me show you, that one's on, you'll see in a second, have these great blue lights to tell you that they are on. There we go. So there's no doubt that these are on when they are on. Obviously the kettle will make its noise and you can cancel the toaster like that. Great little set, really nice, stylish.